What up, YouTube? So today is gonna be part 8 of the Mitsubishi K20a2 Eclipse. I know it's K24, K20 before, but I took that motor out. Was having issues with it. So now that we got the A2, I've been dialing it in a little bit. Had to swap out some sensors to get it running right. The last video was cracking up and sputtering a lot, so I think I kind of fixed that now. But another thing is we're running stock ECU, so I got my laptop here, and we're gonna install the ktuner. It's already installed actually in the car. I actually just swapped it in, and I want to show you guys the difference with the ktuner now, since the car is running good and it needs more power. So let's get this car more dialed in. I'm gonna try to get the check engine lights off. I think the tune I have should be good already. But yeah, I just want to see how it feels myself. I haven't actually felt it with the ktuner and all the bolt-ons. Kind of loud in here because I still need to get things kind of together. So when the idle comes down, we'll come back, and then we're also going to be doing pop and bang tune on here just for fun, and see how it sounds. So yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up right now, and then we'll come back and take it for a test drive. All right, guys. So we're on the road now. Let's put it in second gear. Especially. Idling kind of weird, but it's all good. We'll get that fixed. Let's see if I can still pull real quick. I thought I had the RPM set at 80. I think it's at 86 right now. Like I said, I'm not sure what map this is. To be honest, this motor does pull pretty good, but I would definitely say the K24 was faster. Even without the ktuner, it's just a torque thing. I mean, if that's what you guys want to know, is basically that's what it is. K24 just carries way more torque. This car is just really fun, to be honest. I mean, the Eclipse chassis is really, really secure and real smooth, you know? It takes this motor like nothing. all motor knowledge and let people know how the K24 feels compared to the K20 and the first one I did, which is K20Z1, which I actually think the K20Z1 was a little faster just because it does have 10 more horsepower, which is a big difference for all motor, but the A2 still gets down. If you guys are interested, this car will be for sale, so I can build my GST model and start getting more knowledge for you guys, because I do want to do a GSX eventually too. So I'm gonna go back home real fast. We're gonna do the pop tune on the K-tuner, and then we'll see how that sounds with this exhaust. Is just a 2006 to 2011 SI exhaust tip with 3-inch piping from JFab straight from the header. So it might sound a little loud just because the exhaust is actually right under me. We didn't go all the way to the back, so. But other than that, yeah, let me get this tune on here, we'll come back. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much getting everything on here. I'm going to raise VTEC on here a little bit because I don't really like the way it's kicking in. Can't really hear it. I like my VTEC louder. But yeah, I got my pop tune right here, so I just messed with these 3 maps right here, or these bars right here, on all levels of VDC. So now I'm going to upload, and we'll get this new map on here, and we'll see how it sounds with the pops and bangs, and if the VTEC sounds a little bit more aggressive with this tune. So after this is done, it's reflashing right now. Once it's uploaded, we'll get back on the road, and we'll see how it sounds. All right, so we're back. Now let's see how this pop and bang tune sounds. Sounds pretty decent for a stock exhaust tip. I mean, you can kind of hear it. guys. It's not as loud because, like I said, it's just a stock tip. If you have like an actual exhaust, you'll definitely hear it a lot more. But for now, this is cool. Two-step works on this thing. I haven't done it yet. Oh yeah, no complete stop maybe. Actually pretty nice. Took the mirror off. Yeah, I got a lot of practicing to do with these tires now that I got it. Looks so much more better now, so way more aggressive now. Yeah, this car is so fun. Yeah, but other than that, guys, this is just a video I wanted to show you guys how the car performs. If anybody is interested in this car, it will be on a stock ECU though. If you want K-tuner, then add another 500. Other than that though, that's what this car is capable of doing with a K20a2. I do think the K24a, the motor I was in here was a little bit quicker just because of that torque, so it is what it is. This is still a good setup, especially with the LSD, it still helps. So other than that, guys, if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next video.